Hello, today we're going to be looking at Renntech's Exhaust Valve Module. We're going to be installing it in our 2016 AMG GTS. They do offer this for multiple applications. Go on their website if you're curious to see if it works for yours. In this video, we're going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to show you how to install it, and then we're going to show you a before clip and an after clip. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is the box. There is a box within a box. Inside our box, we have a pouch. Now, I did open this up already to look at stuff. And we have our controllers right here in this pouch and a lanyard, which is cool. We have our actual module right here. And then we have our instructions. And it looks like just another card talking about what we got and some other products. And I think that's it. All right, let's go ahead and start installing it. Okay, in the passenger side, you're gonna go ahead and remove the floor mat. And then we're gonna have to access what's behind this foam part right here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these bolts right here. And for the top one, you're gonna need an extension and a 10mm deep socket. All right, guys, there's the top one right here that we're gonna use our extension on. Okay, to maneuver this out, you're gonna wanna push up on both these sides, but you wanna be careful because this side's gonna get caught on the carpet. So you just kinda gotta be gentle and patient with it. And once you navigate it out, you can take it out right here. All right, so we have the area that we're gonna be working on. We're gonna go ahead and gently push this to the side. We're gonna leave it like this so we know how it goes. And now we can access what we need to get to. Now this connector looks like the one in the car, and I want to show it to you real quickly so you know how to remove the one in the car. If you look right here, you have this lever. You push down and then you push up. We're going to be pushing down towards these little pins right here, or this little indentation to remove the one in the car. So this is the connector we're looking at. We're going to go ahead and grab this lever. We're going to push it down. It's going to click and it's going to be ready to be removed. Just like that. Okay, so with the new connector, you're gonna have this position down, and then you're gonna put it inside here, down, like that. It's gonna go inside, and then you're gonna push this lever up, and that's how it connects. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna be doing the same thing with this one. We're gonna go ahead and grab our connector, and then you're gonna go up and lock it down. Well, boom. So in the instructions, it says there's a ground right here. There is not one for me. So I found this little bolt right here. And what I did is I loosened it and then I cut using little wire cutters the ground so I could slide it over and lock it down. All right, guys, it's time to do the fuse part. If you look right here, here's your fuses. And as per their instructions, we have a 20, a 10, and a 7.5. We're gonna pull out this red one right here. All right, we pulled it out. And now with our kit, if you see right here, we have to put the one we pulled out, we have to put it inside here, just like this. Boom. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and snake this one. We're gonna connect it to the spot that we took it out, just like that. And one of the last things you wanna do is you wanna just secure this somewhere. I'm gonna put a zip tie right here and secure this just so it doesn't move around. Now, before you put everything back together, you need to go ahead and test it. And that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna turn on the car and we're gonna see if the flaps respond with the remote. So now you know that it works, so you can put everything back together. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go for a drive, and then I'm gonna make a video in the car letting you know if it's worth it, if you could actually tell a big difference while you're driving. So let's go do that. Okay, everyone, I just got back from a drive, and I'm gonna tell you my impression. The first way that this product shines is from a stop. So when you turn on the car, and you're like full open, it sounds really good. And then when you're at a stoplight or a stop sign and you're going from a start it definitely sounds louder. So it adds to that part. Now around mid-range and mid-acceleration, I can't tell a difference. But then at top speed, I think it really rounds it out. I think it adds about 5 or 10% more to the exhaust. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but if you buy an aftermarket exhaust, especially if you buy the Valvetronic one, this is a must-have. So I'm gonna say that this is a pretty good modification. Just don't expect a big change. Like, this is great for startups. This is great for stop and goes, and it really rounds out the top end, like I said. But you're not gonna really notice it like while you're driving in the mid-range, which is most of the time. You're not gonna tell a big difference. I'm pretty happy overall. It is a little on the pricey range, but I think it's a good mod overall. All right, guys, thanks for watching.